we are going to go over a song by Trey Songz. I posted this on Instagram and people were like, yo, you got to do this tutorial, you got to do this tutorial. So I'm going to hop on here now and do this tutorial. So we're going to be doing the song called Circles. Anytime that I'm teaching, I'm always going to associate every song that I'm doing with a major key. So this song is in A major, right? It really focuses on 2 chords. But what I'm going to talk about is not only just playing the chords that are in the song, but also the melody. We're going in circles. I'm going to show you how I'm hearing that, and I want to make the guitar really have that same embodiment, right? So let's just play a little bit of the song so we can get a feel of what it's like. All right. Also, before we get into that, I also like to use the numbers. So like, I may not call out the chords all the time because we're in A. If you're not that well versed in the numbers, you should definitely check out Kerry's Camp because we have a whole bunch of courses that are on the number system that are really going to show you how to unlock that part of the conversation when you're talking to other musicians. So when I'm playing the 1, right, I'm playing a 3, 4. Occasionally, I will go to the 6. Okay?
Trey, Taylor, you go.
Heard you here on a rebound, but you want me to put the beat down in the group text with Anna. Why is it every time we say we're done? Meatballs, getting up back at square one. Shame on you, feel twice down. Told me your ass up, that you like breaking.
All right, cool. So all we're doing is really just going off of that 3 and that 4, right? So for you that are not that well versed in knowing the numbers, all we're doing is that C minor 7. We're going to that D major 7. Occasionally we will go to the F sharp minor 7. So I'm doing a lot of stuff off of that minor pentatonic, right? I'm doing a lot of licks and a lot of riffs off of that minor 6. So it's really important. I know a lot of people like may just talk crap about, oh, minor pentatonic, da 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 da. There's a lot of gold in there. I don't want you to forsake that just because other people talk about it and make you feel a certain kind of way about it. There's a lot of gold in there. So don't forsake a lot of the melodies that people come up with are off of that minor pentatonic. And that's what all that I'm doing. I'm putting out different kind of melodies off of that minor pentatonic, right? So let's go back into the song. We're playing that 3 and that 4, and then occasionally we will go to that 6. Then I'm going to show you the melody that we're playing, all right?
Trey, Taylor, you go.
Heard you here on a rebound, but you want me to put the beat down in the group text with Tina. Spill it for the beat. Why is it every time we say we're done? Meatballs, getting up back at square one. Shame on you, feel twice down. Told me your ass up, you be honest, that you like me. Girl, I can't act like you. I'm the only one that's confused. 'Cause I gotta do better.
Now we're going to get that. So now we're going to get ready to go to that melody. So you can kind of hear the build up a little bit. So I want you to start making sure you're using your ears to hear this kind of stuff. Listen to the track. The track will dictate and let you know. So you can start to hear kind of a build up and you're ready to go to that melody, right?
If you're looking for closure, I'll take you closer.
So we're hearing. So I'm listening to that melody. All the melodies that I'm playing are from the minor pentatonic. Okay?
We try, we can say it's over. We going
so you're hearing those melodies. We're going in circles. Circles, we're going in circles. Ignore my singing, but just understand the melodies. You can put your own flair, your own flavor on it. That's all you have to do. So again, I'm just giving you some snippets, some ideas that you can use in order to just make your toolbox that much more versed. If you love the stuff that we're doing, please drop a comment, subscribe to this channel, click the bell to be notified. And then if you're trying to go even deeper, follow my page, okay? But then check out kerryscamp.com. I really want you to be a part of this community. I really want to show you how to play to your full potential. KERRYSKAMP.com. All right, I'll holler at y'all next time.